Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we walk you through the step-by-step process to reset your TP Link CPE510 point-to-point device to its factory settings. Whether you've forgotten your login credentials or are troubleshooting network issues, a factory reset can help restore the device to its default configuration. We'll guide you through powering on the device, locating the reset button, pressing and holding it for the right duration, and finally accessing the device with its default settings. First of all, we discuss why it is necessary to reset the TP Link CPE510. Resetting the TP Link CPE510 point-to-point device is often necessary for troubleshooting network issues, restoring default settings, or recovering from forgotten login credentials. Over time, network configurations can become misconfigured or corrupted, leading to connectivity problems or performance degradation. A factory reset clears out any custom settings. So let's start the process. Plug the power adapter into the CPE510's power port or, if using a Power over Ethernet (PoE) injector, make sure the injector is correctly connected to both. Once powered on, check the status LED lights to confirm the device is operational. The device needs to be fully booted before you can perform a reset. On the CPE510, the reset button is typically found either under a small panel or near the Ethernet ports. If the reset button is hidden, it may require a pin or paperclip to press. You'll need something small and pointed, like a paperclip or SIM card tool, to access the button if it's recessed. Press and hold the button for 8 to 10 seconds. While the device is powered on, press the reset button and hold it down for around 8 to 10 seconds. The device's LED lights will blink or flash in a sequence, signaling that the factory reset has been triggered. Be sure not to release the button until the lights indicate that the process is underway. After releasing the button, the device will reboot and reset to factory default settings, clearing all previous configurations. Note: once the TP Link CPE510 device has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by TP Link. Now reset process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.